I am doing something a little bit different for today. It is day 21 of our live challenge, and I am standing outside a house, and this is very, very exciting for me. I've been wanting to do this for a very long time, but I just haven't found the perfect place until now. So I am standing outside a place in Whakatawa, which is a small little beach house, a beach in between Whangamata and Waihi. And I have booked in a weekend retreat here at this property behind me. I have, as you may know, I used to run retreats up in Whanganeki, and I wanted to find a place that was south to, because there were so many people who wanted to come from further south of Auckland. So this is the place. It is you can't really see it, and I want to keep that little bit of mystery. It is the most beautiful place. It is literally, I'm going to show you, we're in a cul-de-sac, and I'm going to take you on a little walk to the beach, but that is where the beach is. So there are beach views from this place. It is absolutely gorgeous, and it can accommodate 10 women. And it's a weekend of connection. So it is on the last weekend of November. It's a weekend of connection. It is a weekend to press pause. So the reason why I do it the last weekend of November is because I want you to stop. I want you to slow down before going into the craziness of December. It's a weekend of learning. I'm very much about the hands-on, the practical. I want to teach you how to build a healthy lifestyle, but actually learning how to do it yourself. And that's why I'm so passionate about teaching you how in the kitchen. This has got a massive kitchen. It's got really big open spaces. So I want to teach you how to make sourdough. I want to teach you how to make sauerkraut. And so there's going to be gut health. There's going to be hormone health. There's going to be information about fasting. It's just like we're going to do bushwalks. We're going to do beach walks. The best is the connection with other women who are like-minded in exactly the same boat as you. So if you are perimenopausal or you are menopausal and you are wanting to learn a different way, if you are needing a weekend away where it's a total immersion of learning everything about healthy food, healthy habits, hormones, fasting, everything that I've mentioned, this is a weekend for you. If you just need to, it takes stepping away for 2 full days rather than just stepping out for a couple of hours. This is for you. 2 spots have gone already, and it's just, I'm so excited because, as I said, I've been wanting to run one of these retreats for a very long time, but I just haven't been able to find the place. So I think I'm just going to take you on a little walk to the beach and show you what the beach is like. Because of the beach, you won't be able to hear me, I doubt, but I just want to show you how magical this place is. And yeah, and I'm just so excited. I think it was from going on the Gwangana retreat for me that I just realized the importance and the power of the connection of bringing women together for a longer period of time. And so I'm actually, this starts at 3 p.m. on a Friday and it finishes on 3 p.m. on a Sunday. So it's 2 full days. So now let me flick you around. And this is the beach. And we're just so, so lucky. I can't guarantee we're going to get a day like this, but look at that. It's just absolutely gorgeous. So if you would like some more information, there are bunk rooms, there are own rooms with en suites, and then there are one of the double rooms has got, the queen rooms has gone, and another room has gone. But if you want to find out the information, then just message me, and I would love to have you join us. Okay, talk to you soon. See you tomorrow for day 22.